batang matibay, may tibay, matuto sa buhay.
Fair Brand, tibay ngayon, tulong para sa tibay ngayon.
Artista! Oo, tabi tayo kakain ako. Yun ang yung ginagawa mo sa una. Ayos na ayos yan kanina dumating ka. Gulong-gulong ngayon.
Apurado, hindi mo ko kaya. Isang ton. Banayad gusto. Lasang break talaga. Ayos tawatan. Saya, kamoga, at pati na ang kuwela.
Hindi ka pwedeng matyaga, sir. Pwede ka, tika, sir.
Talagang haring mula sa mga bigla, mapapasigaw ka. Okay na sa akin kahit saan. Nakasama kita.
Hindi na napaka-arte mo.
The goal is to decrease nasopharyngeal carriage because that is the onset of the possibility of having
Yan! Very good. Kumakain ng baby ko. Very good.
spread will have both non-invasive and invasive diseases.
Very good si Athena.
Studies
Kumakain.
have also found that you would be needing higher levels to prevent or to protect against nasopharyngeal carriage as compared to prevention of you having invasive diseases. So these are the serotypes in globally licensed photo conjugate. The nasopharyngeal carriage of PCV13 and PCV13 related serotypes has increased substantially following the introduction of PCV13, and there were significant reductions in carriage of serotype 19A and more rapid reductions in carriage of PCV13 related serotypes of PCC. In Taiwan, between 2012 and 2015, the percentage of PCV13
Yum, yum.
serotype isolates declined by 47%, while the proportion of non-PCV13 serotypes increased from 70